Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one for me because I'm gonna be unboxing and sharing with you my new POLÈNE No. 7 handbag. Now, I actually received this a couple days ago in the mail, and it's been sitting in my office just like waiting for me to open it, but I am clearly very enthusiastic about this, so I wanted to open it with you and kind of share that excitement with you and my first impressions. So a little bit about POLÈNE as a brand. I've had my eye on them for a couple months now. All of their full grain calf leather bags are handcrafted in Spain. They are really timeless and classic designs, and I'm really excited about it. I've wanted to invest in a really nice handbag for a while now. I still don't know which one I want, so I felt like this was gonna be a really good handbag to have in the interim. It's just beautiful and timeless, and it's gonna look wonderful, but this only retails for $3.90, which, trust me, I understand that that is not just a drop in the bucket, but the craftsmanship that you get out of this and just the quality is beyond. So I'm really pumped about it. Now, I got the number 7. All the POLÈNE bags have a number to them, and they have like 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know what happened to 2 through 5, but I was trying to decide between 7 and 8, but I felt like the number 7 was just a really timeless look, so I went with that. With that being said, should we open this? I've like peeked inside a couple times, but I have not opened this, so let's do it. First of all, the box is beautiful. It's like a opalescent box. It's got the label, NUMERO SEPT. I don't speak French. Okay. Got my card. Here it is. Okay. The bag comes in the dust bag, and let's pull it out, guys. I'm so nervous. Okay, dust bag. Here we go. So a lot of the POLÈNE bags have the classic size and then a mini size. I got the classic because I have kids and I have to carry a bunch of junk all the time. Let's open her up. Comes in bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. So there are 2 straps, which I love. You can just carry it on your arm, or obviously there's also the crossbody strap with an adjustable length. Should we just keep taking off this bubble wrap? All the hardware is covered in this protectant blue tape. Let's take it off. I don't know how to take all this off. It's like on really good. Getting something new that's so beautiful and just, it's the best feeling in the world. I feel so lucky to have this. All right, she's ready. Like I said, this is all full grain calf leather. The hardware is gold plated stainless steel. So we've got the clasp on the front, the hardware on the smaller handle, and then some hardware on the crossbody. To open it up, you simply lift the latch and it opens. It's an entirely suede inside. There is a little pouch here, which is gonna be great for any lipsticks or unmentionables, maybe a credit card if I wanna go light. There's also a D-ring that you can hang keys on, which is a nice feature, but it's really simple and just beautiful and basic. I love the beige suede on the inside, and there's just enough room for your wallet and keys and any lipsticks. A couple things to note about this bag. I love the textured leather and that it's just black. It is just classy, and I expect to wear this with just about anything, including like more brown tones. It's gonna go with everything. I love that contrast between the gold hardware and the black bag. It's just pretty. It is also surprisingly light for having the hardware and the 2 handles and straps. It's a very light bag, which I like, but it still feels substantial. The lines are clean and straight. It's pretty, you guys. I am so excited right now. This size just seems perfect for my needs and just a really good day-to-day bag. I love that it has the crossbody strap and the top handle. It's very well thought out. All right, going back to price, this one is $3.90. There are also a couple different versions, whether it has two tones or different grains of leather, that are $4.90, but I just love this textured black grain leather. This bag also comes in a mini version with a chain crossbody. It's beautiful. It's also $3.90, so if you're looking for a bag with just like a little bit more dressy look to it, then that could be a good option. And then I will also link below that POLÈNE number 8. Oh my gosh, it's different. It's unlike any bag you've ever seen before, just really cool structure to it. It almost looks like a flower bucket bag. I'm excited to give this one some use and to try it out. And then that number 8 might find a home in my home. Thanks for hanging out with me while I unbox my POLÈNE number 7. I am so excited to fill her up and put her to good use. I'm the type of girl that just wants a really versatile, easy to wear bag. I do not want to switch out my bag every day. And I just love the quality and craftsmanship of this one. It just checks all the boxes and it's under $400, which is a steal. I'm very excited. So thanks for hanging out with me and stick around for my next video.